Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I did a voiceover for the first half of this, or for the second half of this video, but I'm just going to do the intro myself. So hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and I do Colleen's Creations, and all this month I've been doing some really fun up styles. And I had my hair curled because I did this really cute bronzy glowy makeup look for Instagram, so it might be a bit much in the camera, but it looks a lot better for a look for Instagram. And since my hair was curly, I had this idea for ages of doing this kind of messy but classy up style that's really easy to do, and it literally took me 5 minutes. So yeah, I hope you enjoy to do this. It's really simple. It's just pinning all the hair up to the back, up to the middle and the back of your head. So it's just really simple and really classy to do, and I put loads of pins in, because each section you're curling up and pinning in, you're going to put 2 or 3 pins in, and that way when you shake your hair like this, when you're at like a wedding or an event or a night out or going to work or whatever, it's perfect. And I personally love wearing this hairstyle when I'm in the salon, because I do hairdressing as a career obviously, and this is a hairstyle I love to do because it looks super classy, and if any bit falls out, you literally just have to grab a pin and pin it in, make it a little bit tighter. But it's super cute to do. You can also pin something in the side to jazz it up a little and make it look a little bit more glam. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you think. So hey, we're just gonna get straight into the video, and I just wanted you all to look at my makeup because I actually thought it was really pretty. So I curled my hair with the Babyless curler to start off, just to skip one step. And then I clipped away the top section of my hair just to get out of the way, and then divided my hair into 3 sections just to make it easy to start off with. So if you look at what I do, I'm just dragging all my hair to the top of my head and twisting and pinning it up, leaving the end bit that's curled kind of up and out of the way. And then I just repeat this step the whole way around my head, and I just again one little bit up and around my finger, up and around my finger, and up to the top of my head, because I want to keep a little bit of volume at the side of my head and at the top of my head, so I don't pull it extremely tight to the top. And I always stick in loads of pins, like I said at the start of the video, because it just really helps keep the hair intact. You don't want to worry about, oh, have I too many pins in, will people see them? You can hide it with more pins. So you just want to go ahead, and you see I'm just pinning it up, just getting it all into place, and I'm not overthinking how I'm doing it. I'm just kind of pinning it straight up so I can just get it done. What really inspired me to this hairstyle was just something that's just really quick and easy to do, and something that's manageable for other people. Because what I always get is when people come into the salon and want their hair done, they want a hairstyle that's going to last them all night, but then it's like, what about if a bit falls out? So that's why I really try to incorporate when I'm doing hairstyles on people, is that it's something that they can manage themselves if anything was to happen during the night, like a kid was to pull on your hair or anything like that. This is a style that's super manageable because you're just pinning it up. So then with the front section of hair, again, I'm just rolling it backwards onto the top of my head, and you can see how it's getting messier, but then everything gets messier before it gets fixed and tidied. So I just added a wee bit of back comb just to keep it all into place, and then extra pins just to pat it down. In the front section of my hair, wasn't really sure what I wanted to do just yet. Did I want to like have it down? Do I want to have it up? So this is a hairstyle, you could leave it like that, leave it a bit down, but I decided I just wanted to go all up, which is so unusual for me because I never put it all up. And then I just kind of pin it all back, and I kind of picked a side that my hair was going to. So where my hair was parted is the side I wanted to put it to anyway. Brush away any flyaways and just back comb it. And you can see here how I just molded it into place to keep the volume. So that was going to the side, but the volume was still there, and I kept dropping the pins. The little slippery suckers kept falling out of my hand. And then this bit was just the simplest bit. I just really just pulled this back to the side, and then I was kind of done with the up style. I sprayed some hairspray. If I was going somewhere like a wedding or something, I'd spray 3 times more hairspray. But yeah, so that's it, and I really like the way this turned out. I felt so glam in it. I actually left it in my hair for a few hours, so I felt like someone out like Beverly Hills or something. I felt super glam with my makeup and all. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.